Bahagi ng pagdiriwang ng buwan ng mga kababaihan ng National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation o NHMFC ay inanyayahan nila ang ating Hebe, PAO Chief Persida Acosta upang talakayin ang isa sa mahalagang paksa na dapat maunawaan hindi lamang ng mga kababaihan kundi maging ng mga kalalakihan na may kinalaman sa pagpapamilya.
When I learned about our topic, which is rights of women and obligation of husband and wife under the family code, I decided to focus a part of my sharing with you today, the rights, karapatan, obligasyones, responsibilidad ng lalaki at babae sa isang tahanan, sa batas, sa family code. The other half of what I'm going to discuss with you today is Republic Act 9262, the Anti-Bawsi Law.
Isinusulong din ng ating Hepe ang fairness and equality sa parehong lalaki at babae, kabilang na nga rito ang sa mag-asawa.
Si Persida Acosta ay patas. Patas po tayo. At patas din ang batas. Under the family code, both the wife and husband have rights and obligations.
Hinihikayat din ng ating Hepe na magkaroon ng hanap buhay ang ating mga kababaihan.
Babae ka, maging Gabriela ka, tumindig ka, dahil mahirap pag ang asawa mo naging incapacitated, nagkasakit, paano na kayo? Kaya nga, kung mag-aasawa ang babae at lalaki, tiyakin nyo pareho kayo may trabaho.
Hindi lamang may kaugnayan sa batas ang tinalakay ng ating Hepe, PAO Chief Persida Acosta, nagpaalala din siya sa kahalagahan ng pagtataglay ng tunay na pananampalataya.
Kung ang nasa gitna ninyong lahat ay ang matibay na pananampalataya sa Diyos Ama, hindi tayo pababayaan, lalakas ang loob natin, matitiis natin lahat ang hirap. Dahil nandyan si God, lagi tayong ililigtas, palalakasin at magbibigay ng blessing sa atin.
Sa pagkakataon ding iyon ay ginawaran ng plaque of appreciation ang ating Hepe.
Attorney Erica will award our plaque of appreciation. So, ito po, Attorney Persida Weda Costa, Chief Public Attorney, Public Attorney's Office, for serving as a resource person during the Gender Development Symposium and sharing her experience on rights of women and obligation for husband under family code, given this 11th day of March 2026 in Makati City.
We can't contain our gladness. We want to express our happiness. We're overfilled with joy today. We have a celebration for a good reason. We're done with many nights of weeping. This is our morning of rejoicing. Good vibes in the air, we truly feel. And there's the voice of the people saying, Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching others' lives.
Cases of national and global interest. You've many of these tirelessly worked hard until they are solved. You've set the bar high in serving the people. You've made the PAO a byword in every household and everywhere, a name to behold.
Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching others' lives. Chief Acosta, you're defending the people's rights. You keep on fighting the good fight, the justice and public service. You've dedicated your life. You're deeply touching mother's life. You're fighting the good fight, this cannot be denied. Onward and fighting.
Para sa hashtag Pala News, ako si Geraldine Ranyes, Persida Acosta, tagapagtanggol ng masa, katarungan laban sa kahirapan.